Pull up. Come on, make it work. Pull up. Come on, make it work.
After my 5-mile bike ride, I get to the gym, I warm up, and this is my first working set. I pick 4 exercises in the gym, do 2 hard working sets. I push myself until failure for each set. I don't need to be sitting in the gym doing 15 different exercises, 17 different sets to get a proper workout. We have to remember, when we're in the gym, we're working.
Pull up. Come on, make it work. Pull up.
And if we're working 2 hard sets, pushing to close to failure, we'll get the job done, right? Pick 4 exercises and get to work. Between 8 to 15 reps. Hard. Push yourself. That's one thing we're missing in the gym, a lot of us. Intensity. Making sure that we push ourselves. So many of us walk into the gym and don't push ourselves. We just scan our membership and do not put in no work. And then we wonder why we don't get results. So throughout this prep, I want to make sure that I'm pushing myself because I'm doing 250 miles on the bike and a 50-mile run right afterwards. So I have to build my strength. I have to build my legs. I have to build my core. I have to be efficient at my workouts and not just waste time. Welcome back to Florida Anvil 2027. So if you don't know what a double duathlon is, it's 250 miles on a bike and 50 miles running. So that was an amazing leg workout. Throughout this prep, I want to live my bike. Everything that I'm going to go do, whether it's to go train with my daughter, push weights, if I have to go to the store or something, I want to be on my bike. I want to get comfortable with riding it all day long as I progress on this prep. So remember, it's consistency. It's about doing the same things and over again when you don't want to, all right? So let's continue with this rest of this ride.
Make it work. Pull up.